Hello and welcome to RC Birds, and thanks for stopping by. And it's time for another vlog talk. Autumn and winter's coming. Autumn's almost through. But for me, this means it's crawler time. But before I get to the themes with the crawlers, I want to show you, because you asked, about Mo's sticker wall. Now you can see it. There's a little space left over, but I think it will work until the spring of next year. I'm still in search of new stickers and new channels which I like to present you. This will go on, and for this I already ordered a new sticker wall. This sticker wall is made with Sid, who passed away this summer, and here's a lot of space because the birds aren't so big as on the first one. And as I know that you like it, yeah. It always feels good. Here is our new sticker wall. Oh, and before I forgot, this vlog talk is produced over several days, so the light and my outfit might change as the video is going on. So let's get to the next theme. As I said before in some other videos, I go on with my modular crawling course. Especially the next week's video will come up with a scrapyard. And I planned a new crawler course. And I planned a new crawler course for this season. And for this, one second. This is the base for it. It's a hard case suitcase, and my thoughts are I put a little crawler course into it, and can it store everywhere, and even when I go on vacation I can use the suitcase to get it with me. It's just a coincidence that it looks like the other suitcase I use for my clothes, but with this, every place I visit will be cool, even if it's rainy or something else. So the North Pole or the South Pole would be a great place to visit. Then I have to put something right. Last week I posted some photos of a cafe/bistro in a hospital on Instagram. I'm fine. It was just a primary discussion for a medical investigation. Nothing unusual, just old man stuff. But I like to share the view over our town. The cafe is called 21 East, and it is the highest spot in our town. Sorry that the weather isn't so good. So thanks again to everybody who inquired about my health conditions. The RC fam is great. And the last thing on my agenda is this little one. Always be careful when using a knife. It's from HP Toys, the Wilderness Beluga. I don't call the name what it looks like or the type of chassis. I ordered the blue one, but there's also a yellow one and a red one. But we will see on the unboxing and the following videos what we can do with this car. And for this, I do a second video a day later after the unboxing of the car. This will be a German video. You heard it right. Für meine deutschen Zuschauer, ich werde ein deutsches Unboxing-Video hierzu machen. And the rest of the videos that are following will be in English. I'm thinking about changing the motor, the wheels. Let's see what I can do with this cheap budget car. So this is everything for the moment. I thank you for watching. If you got some questions, the comment section is yours. And always, please like, share and subscribe. See you soon on RC Birds.